Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, and welcome to day 4 of my Crazy Quilt fabric reveal. And today we have Bohemian Brights is what we're going to start with. I actually have 8 of these. So all my fabric bundles are $20. Each with free shipping in the USA. If you are not in the USA and are willing to split the shipping cost with me, we could make a deal. These are gorgeous. I mean, really. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Kind of see what I got. Okay. We have a purple. This is cotton with gold. That is new yardage. Put that down first. This is the green with gold. This is, I don't know what this is, but it's got some gold in it. There's the back, but yeah, it's probably a polyester, but it's kind of cool. This is silk from a silk shirt, nice peachy color. We have some spider web, kind of a stretchy velvet. I love this too. This is new from Joann's, on sale, of course. I think I got this at the Idea store. I have some yardage of it. It is so pretty. Okay. Each bundle has a piece of this vest with that embroidery, and this cotton with some embroidery and beading. This is lame. Don't burn it, just be careful with it. This is shiny but stretchy but very sparkly. Got that at Goodwill. I got yards and yards of that. This is from an 80s outfit. This is fun. This is from a St. Patrick's Day vest. The guy at the thrift store. Some people came in and they asked him, "Are you working?" And he's like, he was bagging my stuff up. He goes, "Actually, I'm playing with my green vest." It was really funny. Kind of had to be there. But anyway, this is new cotton from Joann's. It's got, they called it something and we laughed because of the name. Looks like alcohol ink to me, but it's got a silver sheen to it. This is a burgundy satin. I had some yardage of that. This is from Joann's. This is really pretty. They had this excellent sale. I wish I had more money to get more, and I don't really need more, but black satin to go with some black velvet. Some burgundy brocade, jacquard, what do you call that? It was a tablecloth. Not no more. This was a curtain, dark blood red. This was a scarf my friend gave me. Then she blocked me on Facebook for no reason, and I decided that's what I was going to do with it. This was a gorgeous, gorgeous prom dress. Okay, each bundle has a piece of this embroidery. I want you to look. Somebody went blind embroidering this. And it's hand done. I'm sorry. Those are hand stitches. I saw that dress. I'm like, are you kidding me? That's only X amount of money. I want it. This is another piece of that dress. This is the same as the, well, I had it in some other bundles, but it's a cotton with gold on top of it. I love it. This is kind of Chinese looking to me. It's a yardage. It's some kind of nylon or something, but it's still pretty. And a very pretty pink satin. There are at least 25 pieces in there. And all the bundles are the same. And I really like this one. Next, we have some neutrals, and some of these fabrics are the same as the neutral bundles I've already sold, but a lot of it is different fabric too. Plus I found another bag of neutrals that I had, so I'm going to make up probably 6 more. And those, I guarantee they will all go together. I guarantee it. So you have seen my daughter's quilt. If you haven't, I'm going to put a little card up there so you can see what it looks like. And you just can't, there's no way to go wrong with these colors. No way. Ain't no way. These are nice and hefty. I think I'll wrap that up. I happen to have more of that. Oops, I meant to do that. See, I have more of that, so we can fix it when I'm done. These are nice sized because of the type of fabrics that are in them. So this is an embroidered cotton, like a muslin. But that would look really cute, and there's, you know, you could do different parts of that. This is a bridal satin, and I know why I'm calling that a bridal satin, because it was part of this wedding dress. So you get a piece of that too. My $3 wedding dress that I'll put that video up there, because I had a blast cutting that thing up. Okay, this I think is a curtain, but it's very pretty and very shiny on one side. This is some wool. That color is right. This is a linen. All crazy quilts don't have to be silk and satin and velvet. You can put linen and all kinds of things in them. The more different textures and fabrics you use, the better. This was yardage from the drapery shop. This matches that red that I showed on that other one. It's brown with gold. This is new yardage from Joann's. The lady asked me what I was going to do with that. I said I'm making crazy quilt fabric bundles. Oh, burlap. It's lace on it. Let's measure that one. That one is, You can't see the bottom of it. You're going to have to trust me. It is 10 3/4 by 9 1/2. We have some white, it's kind of off-white eyelet. This was from a curtain. Any fabric that I buy secondhand or clothes that I cut up, I do wash them now. Thank you, pandemic. And hang them on the line in the sun. This is a sheer. It was a curtain. The color is right. Here's another piece of linen. It's got whiskers on it. I apologize for that. Another piece of the eyelet because I had a lot of that. This I got at Hobby Lobby. It's heavy, it's quilted, or it looks like it's quilted anyway. This is a white stretch, off-white, I guess, velvet. I kind of love that too. Okay, more of the curtain. This is a white, very nice white satin. That was yardage. The sheer curtain. I call this bridal satin too, even though it could be coat lining. It could be like a coat lining also. This is like a duck, cotton duck, but it's got a sheen to it. The color's right. A piece of lace. Another piece of satin. This is the one that it kind of looks peachy, but it goes. Trust me, it goes. This is like a drapery weight. This has made an appearance in almost every bundle, feels like. That was a tablecloth, I'm pretty sure. This was a curtain. It's really weird. It's kind of bluish on this side, but this side is neutral. So use it however you see fit. This is Shiny Yummy Goodness. I'm gonna put him at the top. And this is that brown with gold. I'm getting a lot of mileage out of that one too. So let's roll it back up. Uh-oh. These are going to be hateful. So I am digging this. Can't wait to get those other ones cut. So we have Bohemian Brights today and neutrals. 8 of these, 6 of these. At the end of this video, you'll see how to get in touch with me. Or you could leave me a comment or whatever. Facebook me. Come to the group. Get on Facebook. I don't know. But if you want some crazy quilt fabric, I got it. So, allow me to click off.